Okay, so this is JB Films here, and so me and Jonathan are outside, and we have this camera, right? Well, we taped it to the end of my airsoft gun, and Jonathan's on the other side of the house where he can see my friend Zach's house, and I'm over here with the airsoft gun. So we called him over, and his parents just got home, so they're going to let him know if he can come over or not, and if he does, then we're gonna shoot him. Alright, Zach's right about up there. I'm about to go get him. Here we go. Alright, he's going. What? Car.